Hello, guys. Hope you all had a great and profitable day. So today we saw a strong rebound, a classic buy on dip. Uh, we could see after a straight three red sessions or after 3 days of bloodbath. So if we go and look at the daily chart, we see a big green recovery candle. We can see the market open close to 23,100, 116 approximately, and it went down all the way to 22,955. And towards last hours of the day we saw market again jumping back up to 23,500, and it closed approximately around 23,400. So we closed the market by more than 1%. And if you go ahead and look at the last candle, which you can see in green candle, we can call it bullish engulfing kind of thing, and it did test at 23,000, which is a strong psychological level for the market. Volume is healthy for today. We can see approximately 540 million trades were executed, 540 million shares were executed. A broader market, it was led by auto, banking, and IT sectors. Broke the recent lower high structure temporarily. First sign of pause, which we can see looking at today's candle. If we switch to 5 minute chart, what we see is early part of the day we can still see there was a huge sell off, there was a bloodbath, but there was a sharp recovery too towards later part of the day. So mid afternoon there was consolidation, and then we started to see explosive big green rally happening in last 1 to 2 hours. Closed right near the day's high, which we feel strong about. Strong bulls stepped in aggressively. And if we go ahead and look at the overall structure for the day, this is a very classic V-shaped recovery, which you can see. FIIs, if we talk about them, they were still net seller, but they were less aggressive today. What we can see, DIIs, they have stepped in, they have started to buy. Now, what we expect tomorrow? So tomorrow, I would say it's a mild positive bias. We would recommend a buy on dips. So that's what we are going to do. Likely to work better than yesterday's sell every rally. Uh, Currently gift nifty is trading in positive. Uh, we can expect a very flat to positive gap up of say about 50 to 100 points. It could be within that range. Overall sentiment is still short term bullish. That's what it feels like after today's big green candle, but still we are still in part of larger correction. So geopolitics, there's some good news. Geopolitics have eased slightly today. Oil prices have cooled down a bit. There's good news from Strait of Hormuz, where there's news that they have started to allow Indian ships to pass, which would help with the oil. VIX is still high, very high, so volatility would still stay. What we expect, key labels for tomorrow, immediate support. What we can see is 23,300 to 23,200. 23,000 is a very strong psychological level. What we saw today, it tested that level and it again went back up. Resistance 23,500, 23,550. That's the first one. Second one would be 23,700 to 23,800. uh, for what to do on tomorrow. What we would see happening in the market is buy the dips with tight stop loss. If there's a gap up, it's if there's a flat gap up, wait for 30 to 50, 45 minutes. Let's see if there's a pullback. If there is a pullback, then buy above 23,400, 23,450 with a very tight stop loss. Or if there's any dip happening, say if the market goes down to 23,250 or 23,300, then go aggressive long. Target should be 23,550 to 23,700. Easy 150 to 300 points if the momentum continues. Stop loss, always keep 30 to 40 points and trail your stop losses. That is very important. What's the risk or what to watch out for? If it opens gap up and immediately sells off below 23,350 with high volume, quickly shift back to short sell. No strong global cues or fresh oil spike, then profit booking is going to happen for sure. uh, so good luck and trade safe.